from mathematical table, Mantisa is 0.3393. After getting now the characteristic and getting the Mantisa, then you write them as one number. Therefore, we can say log of 21.84 is equal to 1.3393, implying now that the characteristic is 1 and the Mantisa is 3.3393. Another example that we need to familiarize with is the situation whereby you are given that log of 42.53 is equal to 1.6287. Then you have been told, write down the logs of 4.253, then 0.4253, and then 0.04253. We just want to have the solution, and what we need to do is to make a table to assist us. So the first column is the number we are dealing with. The second column, we think about that number when written in a standard form. Then the fourth column would like to have characteristic, and the other column is Mantisa, and the other column is whereby we should now have the logarithm combined. And the first number is 42.53. This one can be written in standard form as 4.253 times 10 to power 1. Therefore, our characteristic is 1, and the Mantisa, because we have been given there, is 0.6284, implying now the log of this one is 1.6284. If it is the second case there, whereby we need now to find the logarithm of 4.253, we can write this one as the form as 4.253 times 10 to power 0, meaning the characteristic is 0, the Mantisa is the same 0.6284, implying now the logarithm is 0.6284. For the third case that we need to deal with is whereby now we have the number we are working is 0.4253. If you write this one in a standard form, the decimal shifts to the right. This way to be 4.253 times 10 to power -1. So our characteristic is -1, and the Mantisa still is 6284. But now the logarithm is not written as negative, but we say it is bar 1. We put the bar on top instead of being on the side, 6284. Then the last but not the least is when we have 0.04253, we express it in standard form as 4.253 times 10 to the power negative 2, because the decimal shift 2 spaces to get a number between 1 and 10, and this is negative 2, so the mantissa remain, and then the answer here is bar 2.6284. So we can be able to manage this question like that, and it works very, very well with no problem.